Narf Industries. Now, they are almost like a NanoCap, 22 million. They are 100% upside target the broker gives them. They're 1 pence a share, 2 pence the target, 100% upside, and enterprise value 20 million. So a little bit of debt. Average daily volume is 48 grand, so it's not huge. They made an operating loss of 2.3, cash of 345. Debt 1.1, operating cash flow there. So look at this. Look at this half year to full year. Look at the green. Okay. Okay, the value isn't quite there yet. That's 126% upside. All right. So looking at this side pretty much, is it improving? Price of sales 4, halved, more than halved. 15, 80, so it's 2 there. There's a little bit, it was a reverse takeover, so it's a little bit odd, the balance sheet and all that stuff, and EBITDA needs to settle down. It looks dreadful, doesn't it? 100% upside. Now, if you look at the forecast going forward, 345% top line growth from 1.9 to 6.2, up to 7.8 to 9.75. 40% top line gross margins. I'm sure I thought it's get better there. But we are looking at profit this year, 2023. What's the date? So, yeah, it's this year, whenever the results come out. That's a heck of a turnaround, really, from that to that, from that to that, and it's growing. So anyway, as yet, though, it isn't quite convincing. It's a little bit, it's not cheap. So look into it. I got targeted to 27, 28%. But it's worth looking at this. The owners have some skin in there. All their contracts are with, and if you look at the results, for example, the news, so the 2 main guys are founder owners. They're big skin in the game. I'm talking about 30% pretty much. And contract with the Department of Defense, new corporate website. Where is it? Awarded 1.3 million contract, always with Navy and all that stuff, America. What else here? New task order awards, 1.6. Critical infrastructure calibration, 1.8 US healthcare cybersecurity system. New task order, 1.2 million. So they're winning contracts. These guys, one of the guys, I think a couple of them actually, a previous military, and so seem to be very in cahoots with the US Department of Defense. So maybe worth a look. Not for me, Narf that is, okay. Narf, worth watching their investor meet video. They are super smart people fighting bad people and countries stealing data. Their target is 20 million in 3 years. Okay, that's very good, Graham. I'll check that out. Narf, yes, says Graham. Narf, probably yes. An interesting one. Some institutional buying too. Okay, Harish. Had enough looking at the debt on this one? No. David, get your money into them. Look good if forecasts are true. Okay, that's David. Here we are. Brian, probably yes, Brian says.